caramel apples. Prep time 10 minutes. Cook time 45 minutes. Yield 8 to 10. Description: nothing says Halloween better than a classic and traditional fall treat. Learn how to make your own homemade caramel apples today. Ingredients: 1 cup unsalted butter, 2 cups packed brown sugar, 3/4 cup white granulated sugar, 1 cup maple syrup or light corn syrup, 1 14-ounce unsweetened condensed milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 8 medium apples, stems removed. I recommend Granny Smith apples. 8 hard lollipop sticks or popsicle sticks. Toppings optional. 1 cup milk chocolate chips, 1 cup white chocolate chips, food coloring, crushed walnuts. Instructions: in a medium saucepan, melt the butter over medium-low heat. Whisk in the sugars, syrup, condensed milk and vanilla. Stir regularly and cook until the mixture begins to boil. Increase heat to medium heat and cook caramel for about 15 minutes, stirring constantly but slowly, until the caramel thickens and the temperature on a candy thermometer reads 235 degrees Fahrenheit. You can also test the caramel to see if it forms a soft ball. This means that if you drop the caramel into cold water and then remove it from the water and roll into a ball, the caramel should keep its shape. Remove saucepan from the heat. Let the caramel cool for a few minutes. Wash and dry the apples and insert sticks. Dip the apples into the hot caramel and twirl to fully coat and to let any excess drip off. Place onto greased parchment paper or greased aluminum foil and let caramel set for 15 minutes. The caramel will have cooled on the foil. Lift the apple and using your hand, shape the cooled caramel around the apple. Place apples back on parchment paper and leave it for another 30 minutes to allow it to fully set. Once fully set, you can start decorating your apples. Decorate optional. Melt the milk chocolate. Dip the caramel apples into the chocolate. Sprinkle on some crushed walnuts. Set aside to cool. Repeat with the white chocolate. If you want different colors, add food coloring. Note that if you are using liquid food coloring, you may need to add some oil to regain a smooth consistency. Using a piping bag and round tip to drizzle some chocolate on top. Set aside to let toppings harden fully.